The story of the flood. Why do I... Ouch. Ouch. Why do I hear flickering? Hey, baby. What? I hear flickering. Are you serious? Hey, kids. Is there a flood or something? There's a flood. Wake up. Hey, what is it? Jessica, we need to leave. And Liam, you get dressed. And I and me are going to... Oh yeah, we need our... So, I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna see this and I'm gonna wear this. Wow, so pretty. So I'm gonna wear this. Put my clothes in the... So I'm gonna get my work clothes and my turn. Get this on. This is my morning routine. Stop it! Literally stop it. It's ready now. So my work clothes. So this, and we're finished. Now your turn, kids. There's been a flood. We need to go. I'm gonna get this and this. My clothes are so pretty, so I'm gonna get this. Get this. A little bit this on. This and perfect. Now go to Mom and Dad. Mommy, can you help my stuff? Okay, you say so. Right, I'm gonna wear this one. Cause wow, cool. And then my baby suit. So I'm packed up. Here. Okay, so let's go. We have a bad feeling about this, Mom and Dad. It's alright. I know it's such a critical... Is it going to be a church ride? No! Church hospital? No! Well, I got freaked out, so let's go. Come on, let's go. Alright, let's go. Let's remove all of this stuff since after finish. Alright, everything is now empty. Alright, we finished. So Jessica, Liam, put your pajamas back on. Okay. You can wear them in the morning. Okay, Mom. They're breaking somehow. So let's put them back in my normal clothes. They're somehow breaking. But we're not gonna stay here in a couple days until the flood is over. Now let's sleep. The next morning. Day and night. It's a beautiful day. The flood is gone. Yay, the flood is gone. The flood is now over. Yay! Look, after they're done packing. Alright, I'm done. So, here are the end credits in the end. Let's leave. Bye! end credits to the end. So, bye.